Hello everyone, here's a very quick high-level overview of ProCrew Schedule. You log in, username, password, here's the home screen. Select your 3 crews that you want to view here. You have a drop-down list. Here's the crews, here's the items, open them up, change the status, select the dates, choose update any information that you need, and then you can hit save or you open up here. Either one doesn't matter. You can also schedule from here as well. Choose your customer information and go through, fill out the list, and you're good. We offer 2 views. That's your list view. Here is the calendar view. So it's the same 3 crews that were selected on the other side are the crews that load here. We're loading a lot of information. You're loading a 30-day view for 3 crews, so you can see here. So you can also view 1 crew, 2 crews, 3 crews, etc. So we can search, filter, export schedules, and add new schedules. Users, everybody that has access to the software. These are all paid roles. Crews. Name the crews whatever you want. Choose a color. The colors represent on the calendar side for a quick reference. You will, in the employee section, you will assign crew leaders to a crew. So the crew can be whatever name you want. Time card. Digital time cards, you can do it on an employee level or a crew level. Doesn't matter. So you can have both here. And once a time card's submitted, it comes over here for approval, decline, or edit. Employees, this is a list of all the employees in your company. Just because they're here does not mean it's a paid role. You can have unlimited employees. Only users are paid roles. So if we open up my information here, we view it, basic information. You can reset passwords from here if your user gets logged out or lost their password, and just basic HR information there. So you can also see that we have hours assigned. So if we look at Heidi, she's got 10 hours assigned to her. It opens up. Here's what it is. We can also edit from these screens as well. That is a employee based, so it shows up different. Here is a crew based. And we'll move over to estimates, and the estimate section is a multi-purpose. It's a database of all the projects in the software and any estimates that are not jobs yet ready to be scheduled. So you can keep both in here. Only jobs that have been converted to schedules are in the scheduling side. Inventory management system. You can create a pick list for your guys, for your crews, to get materials from the warehouse before they go to the job. So this can be job site materials. This can be truck materials, basically anything you want. Create a pick list, assign it to a task, and then that pick list is available to your crew leaders at the office, on the job, etc. Time request. So this is anyone who has submitted for any kind of leave or time off request. So all day, on this day, you can see it was approved and by who. Here's where you would come in and filter out or request time off. So you can select 1 day, multi-day, a week. You can do all day, or we can just do a time frame. So maybe it says a doctor's appointment in the morning and then the reason. So once you request it and we come back over here, the reasons are hidden. And that is in case they type any personal information there. You don't want everyone seeing it. That's a very quick overview of ProCrew Schedule. I hope that made sense to you.